Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go. Have you ever heard someone say heat up or boil over and you weren't sure what it meant? Don't worry. In this video, you'll learn 30 phrasal verbs you can use in the kitchen every day. Let's make your English sound more natural and delicious. 30 kitchen and cooking phrasal verbs you should know. Heat up, make food warm again. Boil over, when liquid flows out while boiling. Chop up, cut something into small pieces. Slice up, cut into thin pieces. Stir in. Mix something into another ingredient. Mix up, combine ingredients together. Whip up. Make something quickly and easily. Fry up, cook something quickly in hot oil. Warm up, make food less cold. Cool down. Let food become less hot. Put in. Place something inside, oven, pot, etc. Take out. Remove from oven or fridge. Pour in. Add liquid into something. Boil down. Make a liquid thicker by cooking. Taste for. Check the flavor. Cut up. Cut into smaller pieces. Lay out. Arrange food nicely on the table. Set up. Prepare or organize, like a table or area. Clean up. Tidy the kitchen after cooking. Wash up. Wash the dishes. Throw away. Get rid of something you don't need. Run out of. Have no more of something. Cut out. Remove something from your diet. Eat out. Have a meal at a restaurant. Serve up. Put food on plates and give to people. Peel off. Remove the outer skin of fruits or vegetables. Season with. Add spices or salt to food. Turn down. Reduce the heat or temperature. Turn up. Increase the heat or temperature. Left over. Food that remains after a meal. Great job. You've just learned 30 super useful phrasal verbs you can use in the kitchen every day. Keep practicing, and your English will sound more natural and confident. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next English story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.